Listen to this closely. Most people think that heartburn and acid reflux is caused by too much acid, but in reality, it's usually too little acid that's causing their problem. Your stomach needs acid to digest food properly, and when it doesn't have enough, food sits there, kind of builds up, ferments, creates pressure, forcing the sphincter open and allowing acid to come from the stomach up into the esophagus. Antacids and PPIs might buy you short-term relief, but they don't actually fix the problem. In fact, they can make the problem worse, especially long-term, by shutting down digestion completely. The real fix, you've got to heal your gut. You've got to support and improve digestion instead of shutting it down. Then you can finally fix reflux at the root level.